All right, here we go again. Right now I'm at the Arong. This is a local shop where you can get products which is completely handmade and beautiful. They have a beautiful restaurant up there as well, which we visit sometime. And yeah, that's it basically. Okay, what do you want to do? That's quite a hustle that you have to do. Should I take this side of the road? I think it will be better, because if I take the other route, it will be a long way. So instead I'm taking this road, which will be less, but I'm not sure about the traffic though. It could be more than what I'm expecting right now. Okay, so what I'm really wishing for is that I can pass this within one go. That would be amazing. That would be really amazing, because that would be a miracle. The second miracle of the day, I would say. Haha. So let's see if we can make it. And there is a Jaguar in front of me with a number plate which ends with 666, and it's a black Jaguar. So interesting choice of number plate. 666, the sign of the beast. Jaguar is a beast. It makes sense to some extent. Can we go? And it's a no. I can sense a movement. So we are through. We're almost through. Okay, great. Nicely done. So please suggest what camera can I use for POV videos, because that is my niche area and I want to continue that because I love that. And it has to be a very good camera which also can take low light videos. At the same time, the dynamic range is amazing so that you can see the dark of the car inside, and also it's visible outside. and I want to film the daylight photos as well, so it has to have a wide range of capacity to actually capture all this. At the same time, it has to have a good microphone so that I can record good audio. Yeah, that's my requirement. I narrowed down few. One of them is the GoPro 11, of course. That is the new one, and that seems like a very good camera. Let's see if I can pick up a good speed. The road looks crowded, maybe not, but this is a road where you can pick a lot of speed. But I never cross 80 because that's not safe. Let's give it a go. Nope, no space. I cannot take that side because it's going to be very risky, so I have to follow these cars. And there is a bike on my right side. I don't know whether you can see. Here he is passing me. He suddenly came in that gap, and that was a risky move from his end. If I didn't see him and was about to turn right, it would have been a disaster. Yeah, we have to watch out while we are driving. You have to be very, very careful, especially during rush hours like this. This is the other side of the Prime Minister's home. She lives here. And these are our Royal Guards, called the SSF. They protect the leaders of the country. This is the Prime Minister's house entrance, the main entrance. And I'm lucky to live near her. We live in the same area. I can brag about it. So I'm going right, and I'm almost near my house. So we're gonna call it a day. And I hope I can sort my camera situation out very soon, and we can start videotaping on GoPro. I like the organic head movement and everything else, which is only possible with a GoPro. It's hyper smooth. Let us get through, man. Thank you, kind sir.